What's going on today, guys? Day 24 here. Going out with the same crew as yesterday. Plus, we got another greenhorn with us today. We got Al joining us, who is the owner of the cabin that we rent. So it should be an interesting day here. We're gonna start the day off with a lot of moguls. So they'll probably be hating their life by the time we get up to the Alpine. Got the tools out already, and then the rest of the tools.
We're good to go. Already adjusted.
Andy laid a beating on the full speed rental sled here yesterday.
Oh yeah, I'll be famous on TV again.
You buff it out, they won't know. So just go straight up the middle. It looks like a nice trail. Woo. Another beautiful day out here today. We've kind of been getting spoiled with the amount of sunshine we've been getting. But I'm getting pretty close to being ready for a reset. A few more days of sun and then hopefully it starts snowing. Did you already fall over?
I didn't actually fall over, but I had to take 2 tries at that side hill.
Do the corners drop, Andy? You never know if there's going to be a cornice when you're coming over a little hill like that. Oh, Doug getting some air almost. I just love looking at the views out here. And the gnarly mountain tops. Like, look how jagged those ones are over there. That's so cool. Never take a day up here like this for granted. Like, it'd be cool to cut one of these cornices off and just let it roll down here. 270?
Yeah.
Kind of on the lake?
Kind of.
Not really.
You always got to check a few different spots.
Oh, even got Jerry 1 on the V8s.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do? Some cliff drops?
No, just enjoy the day. A little bit of riding.
What's my battery at? Oh, it's already at 60%. And I forgot my batteries today, so whatever I get on this battery is what you guys get today. I think Andy's gonna be a little stuck. Oh, just back him right up. Snow's hard enough, it doesn't matter. Now he trenched it in. Oh, now he really trenched it in. Just give her full throttle. Whoa! You're hesitating. You should have just went full throttle. I'll see if I can get it out. Or if I could get it stuck worse. We'll find out. Practicing more hopovers here. We'll see what Derek's got. That kind of stuff is almost more fun in the low snow because you get so much traction. What's going on down there, Al?
Got a geriatric clinic going on down there.
Derek the Jerry. Oh! Wow. Pin and wiggle, you got You got it. No. What's up? Elevator! No, I lost it. What's going on? That makes no sense right now. The water is flowing that way. Look at the way the water's running.
Oh, into the giant hole.
Into the bank.
Yeah.
What? That doesn't make any sense.
Imagine how big that hole is there.
Well, let's go look.
I don't want to go near it.
You know, I know stuff like this happens in nature, but when the water's running this way, you got to get a little curious to see where it goes. Might drop right off. Go spelunking. Well, I can't see how deep this hole is, but it's at least 8 feet deeper than Taylor.
Really, eh?
Pretty sweet. All right, Taylor, let's go. Get out of there. It's time to ride.
Oh, yeah.
Here, I'll help you.
All right.
We'll see if we can cook up some lunch here. Where is it? Some honey garlic drumsticks. On the turbo, I've had good luck with just jamming the muff pot in right there. Kind of stays, not very good. And see what happens. It's like the perfect wheelie hill. One more wheelie and lunch should be cooking. Is Jerry going for the drop? He's eyeing it up. He's thinking about it. Nice! Well, I don't know if we're really gonna get in any real riding here today, guys. Sorry if the video's kind of boring and short.
Just gonna take a new line.
Take a new line? Okay. It's pretty fun in here. It's really like cliffy, benchy.
I just washed out here. It was actually having a lot of fun.
Oh, he took the high line. Nice. No problem. I got the camera pointed down so you guys can kind of see my feet. Dad came up to me, he's like, I'd love to be able to do one of those. Nice. You're off to the races now. Having a little more fun today?
More fun, a lot more fun today.
Well, we're just working our way up the mountain now. The clouds are rolling in behind me. When I did stop here, it was sunny, but yeah, pretty good day up here. Didn't really get into anything too crazy, but that's all right. It's not about going out and doing the craziest stuff every single day. Most people that snowmobile, that's not what they're doing. They're just going out and having fun, right? Tons of respect to the guys that go out and push themselves as hard as they can every single time. But, you know, I'm just going out, having fun and bringing it to you guys. And, you know, when we're riding with not so experienced riders, you can't do that type of stuff. You know, you can just leave them behind and go off and do that. But it's fun to kind of include everybody and have a good day all together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. This is what happens when Derek cooks.
I didn't make it. It was Jerry won.
How's that garlic bread?
It's a little crispy now.
It has no
Scrape the burnt off.
and the garlic.